and flowchart. This chapter contains two topics, algorithm and flowchart. Now, algorithm is a step-by-step process of solving a well-defined computational problem in practice. Whenever an flowchart is a pictorial representation of any algorithm and step-by-step flowchart pictorial representation. In algorithm, algorithm is an effective method expressed as a finite list of a well-defined instructions for calculating functions starting from an initial state and initial output. The instructions describe a computational which will eventually produce output when you are a program. We need to write the step to solve the problem in simple English language. Now here is an example given. Let us take one simple day-to-day example by writing algorithm for making Maggi noodles as a food. Here is start. Take a pan with water, put pan on the burner, switch on the gas, and step 5, 6, 7 as well is here is given, and at last here is given stop. Stop is must, start is must, because if you are going to done any program, then there is the must start and stop. So the program could be write as take a pan and then put the Maggi and then pan, then gas stove on. But here is the most important thing is that if you are going to write any algorithm must be fruitful to solve the problem, because if it is in proper sequence, then the program run successfully. Otherwise the system will be suffer with the difficult talks. So further, the way of execution of the program shall be categorized into three ways. Number one is sequence statement, number two is selection statement, and number three is iteration of looping statement. In the book there is three simple example is given. If any problem is there, you can ask through the comment box. Here is the selection statement. Here is the selection. Now today's topic is algorithm and flowchart. We first tell the introduction. In computers are essentially problem solving devices. Computers solve these problems by dividing the problem in simple and small steps that are expressed in the form of computer instructions. The set of rules that define how a particular problem can be solved in finite number of steps is known as algorithm. We repeat this. The set of rules that define how a particular problem can be solved in finite number of steps is known as algorithm. Now, an algorithm is a logical sequence of discrete steps that describe a complete solutions in a given problem in a finite amount of time. Whenever a flowchart is a pictorial representation of step-by-step solution of a problem, a flowchart not only pictorially depicts the sequence in which instructions are carried out in an algorithm, but also is used as an aid in developing algorithm. Now, we are going to first introduce you algorithm. Algorithm. To write an algorithm, such a language should be used that is close enough to the programming in which the programs are to be written. Okay, now so that a hand translation is relatively easy to accomplish, thus we have chosen a language for algorithm that resembles our programming language C++. Let us discuss certain rules for writing algorithm. Declaration of variable, identifying naming convocations are similar to and the method to accomplish assignment of values and conditional statements, step by step sequential statements, and if statements, if it means decision, and the looping statements should be written very carefully in the